Welcome to another video. Today we are looking at how to make money online in Kenya through your phone. You might have heard that it's possible to make money online, but must it be that you must have a laptop or a PC to make money? Well, the answer is yes and no. The reason is most of the time, most of the jobs that can be done online require you to have a laptop because it makes things easier. Because most of the time you are dealing with applications, websites that only work well with larger screens. So it doesn't matter how much big your phone is, if it doesn't have the correct resolutions, some websites and applications might not work well. But all is not lost. If you don't have a laptop, you can still make earn something through your phone. So today we are looking at least 7 ideas that work. If that sounds interesting, please click that subscribe button and make sure you click the notification bell. And now I'm going to let the intro and the disclaimer roll, and I'll see you on the next side.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
The first idea that you can make money with your phone is get paid for working. I know this sounds really weird, but it's true. With an app known as Sweatcoin, you can you earn some crypto known as Sweatcoins or SWC, and with these coins, while you can't actually withdraw these coins to your bank account, you can accumulate them and then convert them into some items through the app. So all you have to do is to download this app. You can use the link in the description. As you can see, I was able to get this course for free using 5 Sweatcoins. As you work, for every 1,000 steps you get 1 Sweatcoin, which means if you take 10,000 steps per day, you have like 10 Sweatcoins, and per week you have like 50. With 50, there are some deals you can get within the app. As you can see, there are some items that comes with, for example, 50%. As you can see, these headphones, you can get them for 50% off. These are only deals that are available through the app, and with these coins you can convert them and then get the codes, for example, to get these items. The way you can make money through your phone is watching videos. With an app like Swagbucks, they allow you to make money through watching videos and even playing games. All you have to do is go to swagbucks.com and register, create your account, and then start earning. Use the link in the description to register. Another idea is taking photos. If you love photography, this is an idea that you love. So many apps will pay for your photos and videos. Such apps include Fob, Snapwire, and IEM. So these are some options that you can use. You can upload photos from your cell phone to these platforms and make them available in their marketplaces. So for example, Fob is actually a place where you can buy images. So all you have to do is take some photos of stuff, maybe some buildings, some sceneries, and then upload to the website. Most of these websites will pay you per photo or pay you per license. So some platforms allow those who download the images to purchase a license. An image can make you up to $5. That's almost 500 shillings. The other idea is doing surveys. I'm sure this is something you've encountered before. While it's not something that it's best use of your time, well, it might be a good idea to try if you're stuck in the house or on your way to work or from work. Just find apps like Survey Junkie, Geopol, Paid Viewpoint. So these are pay sites that all you have to do is just answer some few questions about yourself, sign up, answer some few questions, and then and while, as I said, they may not make you like 1,000 shillings in one sitting, they accumulate after a week or so. The idea 5 on how you can make money through your phone online is online trading. Been using this app known as Olive Trade. As you can see here, you can make up to like 2,000 in 3 minutes. You can make even up to 10,000 in a day. So it's something that's possible. You can start trading with as low as $10. That's 1,000 shillings. So all you have to do is download this app install on your phone, post it. In fact, you can even post it using M-Pesa. If you want to know more about this, you can click in this link here. Now, another idea is social media management. For those of you who have no idea what this is, businesses understand that social media is the way to go. This is the place where all of their target audience, that's target customers, spend their time. They go to Facebook, they open an account. They go to Instagram, open an account. The same thing to Twitter, LinkedIn, and now we have TikTok. What happens is, at the end of the day, they have a lot of social media accounts that need to be updated daily. So they need to hire someone, to handle all of this work. That someone can be you. Now, you don't need a laptop or a PC to do this work. All you need is your phone. Download this app known as Hootsuite and Perfect. So these are apps that allows you to manage all of these accounts under one dashboard. Yes, for example, Hootsuite, you can add up to 2 accounts on the free plan, and for Perfect, you can add up to 3 accounts on the free plan. Then with these apps, you can schedule posts. Like, you don't have to show up physically and click publish on, for example, Facebook. All you have to do is schedule posts, and they will go out automatically. So all you have to do is just find businesses that are willing to pay you at least 10,000 per month to manage their social media accounts. Download these apps, and you can be on your way to making money. Now, the last idea we are looking at today is selling online. Yes, selling online, you don't need a laptop. You can do it with your phone. In fact, major marketplaces in Kenya comes with mobile applications. For example, Jiji is a marketplace. It connects buyers with sellers. You can download their mobile app through the Play Store, and then create an account. Then start uploading products. All you have to do is just take clear pictures of the product and then upload to the app. Then make sure you provide a clear description, provide your contact. The other best app you can use is Jumia, though I don't know if Jumia Seller Center have a mobile app, but it's mobile friendly. Their website is mobile friendly, which means you can access through your phone. So head over to Jumia, open a seller account. All you need is your ID, ARA pin, and start uploading products. You don't actually have to own the product. Yes, all you have to do is, when you receive an order, head over to town, buy that product from a shop, and then take it, drop it at Jumia offices, and they will ship it to the buyer. So that's what you call drop shipping. If you want to learn more about drop shipping, there's a link in the description. Just click it and go read it on my website. So thank you guys for joining. If you want to know more about any of these ideas, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Till next time.